สวัสดีค่ะ My name is Alexis. Greetings from America. Today, we learn the letter W. W sounds like W. W sounds like W. You hear the birds chirp. W is for water. W is for water. W is for window. Woo! Window. W is for window. W is for walrus. Ark, ark, ark. Walrus. W is for walrus. Walrus. W is for web. Web. W is for web. W is for wagon. W is for wagon. Wagon. W is for watch. Watch. Time on the watch. W is for watch. W is for wishing well. Wishing well. W is for wishing well. W is for wonderful. You are wonderful. W is for wonderful. W sounds like And now it's your turn.